Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to know if someone deactivated their Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to know if a person has deactivated their Snapchat account, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your Snapchat. After opening up your Snapchat, just tap on the chat icon which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on chat, now you just have to search for that person. So if you already have a conversation with that person and if you can't find them, that means the person has deactivated their account. So in this way you can just check if that person has deactivated their account, or what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that just scroll down and then tap on my friends. After tapping on my friends, if you can find that person over here, that means the person has not been deactivated, or if you can't find that person, that means the person has deactivated their account. Or it can also be that the person has removed you from their friends list. So if you want to check if that person has removed you, so to do that what you have to do is just simply come back and then head over to your chats, and now inside your chats you will find the search bar in the top. Just tap on it and then just search for that person by entering that person's username. So after entering it, now if you can find that person over here, that means the person has not been deactivated, he just removed you from their friends list. Or if you can't find it, that means the person is deactivated. So these are the ways that you can know if the person is deactivated on their Snapchat. So that's it guys, this is how to know if someone deactivated their Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.